बुलेटिन के आगाज में आपको बताएं कि IMF ने पाकिस्तान की इक्तिसादी और माली सूरत हाल में बेहतरी का एतराफ़ करते हुए नए प्रोग्राम पर बातचीत के लिए आमादगी जाहिर कर दी। कम्युनिकेशन डायरेक्टर जॉली कोजेक ने कहा है कि तवक्को है कि IMF बोर्ड की मीटिंग रवा माह के आखिर में होगी। बोर्ड की मंजूरी के बाद पाकिस्तान को $1.1 अरब की किस्त जारी हो सकेगी।
March 19th, IMF staff and the Pakistani authorities reached a staff-level agreement on the second and final review under Pakistan's Standby Arrangement, SBA. This is subject to approval of by the IMF's Executive Board. Upon approval by the board, Pakistan will have access to around $1.1 billion, and that would bring total disbursements under the SBA to about $3 billion. We do expect the board meeting to take place in late April. The agreement recognizes the staff-level agreement recognizes the strong program implementation by the State Bank of Pakistan and the caretaker government in recent months, as well as the new government's intentions for ongoing policy and reform efforts to move Pakistan from stabilization to a strong and sustainable recovery.